Hey guys, I'm back. Welcome to my page, Life and Beauty by Drewby. I'm here to show you guys a trick I learned. Well, I seen a video. I tried it and I love it. Why isn't this out? Plug it in. So I will be demonstrating a hair tutorial. Wait for a couple people to hop on before I actually show you exactly what it is. I'm gonna be using the Reve. I'm gonna be doing my makeup too. Prime my face. This is the VFX Pro Camera Ready Perfecting Primer by Farmasi. Let's see that. Oh, image. Hello, Valentina. Once you hop on, comment where you're coming from. Say, hey girl, hey. I'm gonna be doing my makeup too, so I'm just priming my face. I love this primer. It feels like powder is on my hands. It's crazy. Okay, so my straightener's heated up. Yesterday I washed my hair and then I put in my 3 favorite things: my sorbet, satin nectar gloss, hair lotion, and then hi Sarah. And then a little bit of Posh, and then I blow dried it. I posted a video. It took me like 5.5 minutes, and then ran around, did a couple things, and then this is it. So I got a couple little kinks in there, which is like a natural thing for my hair, but I'm actually gonna accentuate those today. So let me see. Let me get a bigger part of this. Hello Jennifer, welcome back you guys. When you hop on, say hello, hey girl, hey, and then tell me where you're coming from. So we are going to be demonstrating, well, I will be demonstrating a crimped hair look. I don't know if you guys have seen the video. Her name is Ashley Mullins. She is actually the first one I ever seen do this. So I have my straightener set at 370. Hello Jessica. And I'm just gonna be taking my hair. I'm gonna straighten this out just a little bit. So I'm gonna go like a crimped look. I used to do this to my hair a lot when I was younger. It was like a paddle, and it had like the rivets in it that went like this, and you'd have to like clamp all the way down your hair. Hello Dawn. So I'm gonna I'll show you guys like the full results in just a second. Once I finish this half, I'll pull it over my shoulder for you guys. Sorry about my kids' music playing in the background. My daughter is taking a nap and she likes to fall asleep to music, if you can hear it. My other one's down here with me. Hello. When you hop on, say hello, hey girl, hey, and comment where you're coming from. I'm just doing a crimped hair tutorial. You're just gonna take a little piece. It's literally just a thin piece. Yes.
I'm gonna throw the smoke out. It's the 30. If I smell it, it smells really good.
Okay, go ahead, toss it. That's my nephew. Coming to tell me that the milk in the fridge is bad. Hello, hello, hello. Florida. Hello from Florida, Amanda. If we could get this video networked out, you guys, please, that would be greatly appreciated. You hear my baby down here? Hello, Chelsea. Okay, so back and forth. Has anybody seen this before? It's like a, see, my hair is kind of naturally wavy, but not as this. I like it. Nice. And then this side is going to be the same thing. And you don't have to be perfect with it. You actually don't want to be perfect with it. Because you want that, you know, undone look. Hi, Chelsea. If you're replying to when I said hi to you, it just popped up. So comments are kind of delayed on my side. Yes, I've seen, if any of you guys follow Courtney Wheeler, I've seen her sister do this. Her little sister. And I actually have the tool. I've had it since I was like 17. I might just go grab it out of my bathroom. I used to do my hair like this with. That's so crazy. This is super easy. And like I said, you don't have to be perfect with it because you want the undone look. Hello, CV, is it? I like how it's spelled. Okay, so this is kind of a big chunk, so I'm gonna go just a little bit slower with this one. So if you guys are just hopping on, I am crimping my hair with the Reve straightener. I seen this trick a while back, maybe a couple months ago, and I tried it a couple times, and I don't see a lot of people doing it. So I decided, I might as well. A lot of people are like, oh, you can curl with this the Reve, you can curl. And I'm like, yeah, you can do a whole bunch of different things with this. So this is my postpartum hair loss from my second child 2 years ago. Finally grew back, and now I'm going through it again, thanks to my 4-month-old, who all here is a mom. Most of you, I bet. Okay, Chelsea, thank you for tuning in. Catch the replay. And if you guys see that little red dot up in the top, you guys are catching the live. But if you guys are, you don't see it up there, hashtag replay, so you guys can tell me you guys are watching the replay. Okay, mama, okay. And it's really easy. Like, there's no real trick to it. and you can give it like a deeper wave if you want to. This side I might do this piece over again because it's a little flat. Let me see if I went too fast. The more you twist it, the more it's going to give it a wave. So, there we go. There's that little wave I'm looking for. This one's kind of straight too here. Let's do this one again. Okay, so this, and then I'm going to go over and under and over and under. Yep, there we go. Man, so who has little kids here, like babies? Isn't it so stressful trying to find a time to do anything for yourself? I laid my daughter in bed at, I think it was like 2:15, and I literally didn't, 3:40, she didn't go to bed until like 25 minutes ago. It took so long to get her down. And this straightener is so smooth. Like, it doesn't catch on my hair at all. Usually, my old straightener, right here in the corner, my hair would get caught. Oh, sorry, I'm totally off camera. Right here in the corner, my hair would get caught and I'd pull on it all the time. And it would be irritating and I wouldn't even want to straighten my hair anymore. And I'm not starting right at my root because I don't want too much volume. I like to throw my hair over and I get enough volume that way, which is flipping my hair back and forth. So I'm not starting way up there. I'm pulling it down to like straighten it and giving it a curve about the top of my ear. Face, I'm gonna smooth some of these out right here because I don't want it too crinkled by my face. And just like this, when you're curling your hair, you have to make sure that you're keeping it in the plaits, because if you don't keep them in between the plaits, you'll have straight pieces in the length of your hair. You'll have a straight piece. Hello, Michaela. Today is the last day of the sale, you guys. Everything is going to be going up 75%. Like, everything right now is so discounted. Hopefully they'll have a back to school sale, but back to school isn't for another whole 3 weeks. Like, we don't go back to school here. I'm in California, and we don't go back to school until I think it is the 15th of, no, not the 15th, the 21st of August. It's like a Wednesday or something. It's the stupidest, but yeah, so hopefully they'll do one then, but who knows. So I washed my hair yesterday with the reparative shampoo and conditioner, and I never washed my hair twice, or like shampooed it twice. I've always done it just once. And my friend Sarah was actually saying that she does it twice. So I was like, you know what? Hair wash day is supposed to be today, but I was like, I want to wash my hair twice to see if I can get like a longer wash out of my hair. And to tell you the truth, today my hair actually feels less greasy. I actually got really good, and my hair is like super shiny too. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's so shiny. My hair is usually not like this. Like, my hair, especially when I was pregnant, it got a little bit better, but I'm losing all my hormones right now. All my hormones are like leaving my body, and that's why my hair is falling out. And my hair is supposed to look dull right now, but it doesn't, because of doing the wash, or going in between, or further in between washes, and I'm getting all that product off my scalp before I put more on. Yes, especially if you only wash once a week like me, which I try to go to a week, but sometimes I get to only like 5 days, 4 or 5 days. It depends on how many times I've applied heat shield or sea salt spray or anything like that, because at 6 days, if I've done my hair, if I've had stuff to do for those 5 out of 6 days, my hair, I need to wash it. Okay, so this back piece, I think is going to be a little more difficult, because I have to stretch my arm back there, but let me take this up a little bit. Okay. I'm actually going to do it forward. There we go. That one's going to have to be redone right there. There we go. Tawny, hello Tawny. You're up to 7 to 9 between? Yes, my scalp does, like, especially because I sweat a lot, losing those hormones, you know, going through that postpartum, going through just postpartum, it's being, all your hormones are leaving your body and all that, so you're sweating more. It's just a whole different array of things, but so my scalp itches more now that I don't wash every 2 days like I used to. I used to wash every 2 days, but now I can go up to 6. So, yeah. My scalp itches, and double washing actually really does help. And what did you tell me? I think it was only apply the conditioner to your ends of your hair, not your scalp. You don't need those extra oils up there. Your hair already produces so many oils. You don't need that extra oil because your hair is just going to produce it anyways. Okay, so this is the side I usually part my hair on. So I usually put it this way. So I'm going to the other side, and I'm going to flip it back over to give myself some volume. But I'll do that in just a second. So I have my straightener set at 370. That's usually where I go on the day after I wash. I usually don't go higher than 370, even on just a regular hair day actually. If I do need to go up to 390, it's because my hair is like extra dirty and doesn't want to curl. so this last one, I'm gonna flip back this way. This is just gonna give me some more volume when I flip it back this way. Okay, I think did I forget, or did I just go too fast? Because it doesn't even look like I did anything. Okay. Okay, there we go. I love it. I won't even do anything to it. I'll keep it just like this. I don't need any hairspray. I don't want any sea salt spray. I don't want anything. I will do that tomorrow if I need to. I might even go through it and like put a couple curls in it tomorrow. Let me swipe these over. And if you do want some more volume, just go into here and give you a deep turn. We'll push it up a little bit. You see that? Giving so much more volume right there. I'm actually going to go right here too. Do a deep turn. There we go. You know what? I'm not liking this little... I cut my bangs because that's what I do. I cut my own hair all the time. So I had a bad experience when I was like 16, and I don't visit the hair salon anymore. I haven't been to the hair. My sister paid for my birthday one year, and I told her I wanted it ombre, and I came out completely brown. My hair, I went in like this, but I told her I wanted it ombre, so I wanted it to like go in, or what is it, ombre more. I wanted it to go from one color to the other, an easier transition than what it is now. So I came out completely brown. So I was like, you know what, screw this. When I was younger, I used to do box dyes all the time. I dyed my hair blonde over brown, thinking that I was gonna get blonde, when all I got was like a green brown color. It was horrible. It was horrible. I dyed it with an ash and it turned green. So once YouTube got big and all that, I started doing my research, and I experimented with Sally's, what is that one? I can't think of it right this second, but Sally's, whatever it's called, their brand of hair product, and Color Brilliance, that's what it is, Color Brilliance, and that's what I dye my hair with now. I go to Sally's and I get the developer, the powder, a toner, and usually a lighter color brown to do like a shadow root. That's why it's here, it's like a little bit darker than when it transitioned to the blonde. It was bleach blonde. I haven't washed with my purple shampoos lately, because it's not gonna work, because I do need to dye it, so, or I do need to tone it like really bad. So, but these little straight pieces, if they're straight, you can just come in and curl them a little bit. I have some that are curled out and some that are curled in, and I actually like that. Okay, so now at the beginning I primed my face. I primed it with the Farmasi brand VFX Pro Perfecting Concealer, and today I'm actually going to go in with some CC cream. So for the last couple days I've been reviewing this makeup. Yesterday I did this Pata touchless, it's like a liquid powder. It feels like butter going on your face. It almost feels like that primer. I did the BB cream the day before that, and then the BB cream, my bottle is, where's that, right here, and I'm using the shade light to medium. And then the day before that, I used the VFX Pro foundation along with this concealer. I mean this primer. I have the other primer coming in the mail. I've done like 2 other orders since I've joined, but I will be doing my face with the CC cream. I didn't get to do any CC cream, but I do have some samples here that I'm going to try. So I put the primer on already, and I'm gonna go in with the light to medium, which that's what color I am in the BB cream. Let's open this up. Of course, I don't have scissors in here, so I struggle opening this, you guys. Okay. That's actually a lot. I probably don't even need all that. Let's just work with it. Ooh. This has so much pigment and coverage in it. It's crazy. Look at that. I'm gonna have to blend this out. This is... Oh my goodness, this coverage. Sorry, I just got a call. Look at this coverage, you guys. This is crazy. So, oh my god. Oh shoot. Okay. Yeah, I used a little bit too much. What do I do? Sarah, are you still in here? Have you used the CC cream yet? This freaking coverage is crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my brush. Oh, it's not a brush. Jesse had it earlier. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this coverage, you guys. This is from one little packet of CC cream. One packet of CC cream. That blender, beauty blender, was just like not taking any off. It just kept packing it down. Oh my goodness, that was... Okay, it's a little better. I might be a little light for me, but we'll fix that. This was a light to medium color. You guys, look at this coverage. That's the CC cream. My face is really white right now. Just trust the process, okay? Oh, my comments. Okay. Look at this coverage. I'm gonna go back in with this beauty blender. It still has so much on it, and that's just from one little pack. Thank you. Sorry guys, I had to block that guy. Not a fan of creepers. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and contour a little bit with this, what is this, the Face Perfecting Pressed Powder in shade 101. I actually thought this was gonna be the lightest shade that they had, but it actually is one of the darkest shades, so I've been using it for a powder, or a contour shade. Okay, so I'm using Farmasi Cosmetics today, and today is the last day of the month, and then tomorrow starts a new month. So if anybody wanted to join today would, or wanted to join at all, today would be the day, because you start with a fresh start. I started on like the middle of the month, so I only had a couple of days to learn the makeup, try it out, and actually get to know the makeup before I started selling it and try to make some kind of money that I bought into the company with. Okay. Contour that nose. My nose is kind of long already, so I don't need too much. Hi. How are you doing, honey? Okay. So. Oh, I just got myself in the eye. It's kind of bright. Let's turn this down. Let's see the real light. Let's see the real color. Is that better? I think that's a lot better. I don't know why it was up so high. Okay, so I'm just using this double-sided brush by Farmasi. It's got a big fluffy brush at one end and then a small brush at the other end that I can use for like a contour brush or even an eyeshadow, which I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow. This same palette, this same pressed powder that I'm using, I'm going to dip in and use as a transition shade, because all the eyeshadows that I got are glitter, so I'm just gonna go in right in the face. Sorry if you guys can hear my daughter. She is sitting here with me. Let me see. There we go. Look at her. She's drawing crazy. Hi to mama. Hi to mama. This is what you guys could be doing from the comfort of your home. Sitting with your kids, talking to yourself. Well, not to yourself, you're talking to people. But you could be talking to yourself into a camera. And all you gotta do is, all it takes to join is $19.99. If you join, you get 50% commission. And you get 50% off of everything. So this foundation this BB cream that I used today, I believe is $12.90. I paid $6.45. And look at the coverage. Look at that. Let's zoom in. Can we zoom in real quick? Look at the coverage. It's amazing. And this is the lip plumper. I love it. It's already working. Okay, so we did contour shade with the Face Perfecting Pressed Powder and the shade 101. And then we used the BB cream, we used the primer, and we did a little bit of the pressed powder in the creases for a transition shade, because I do not have, or I only got shimmery eyeshadows. So this is the blush. This one is Love Letter, I believe. I looked it up today. This is Love Letter. And I'm actually going to use this as a eyeshadow. This is like one of my favorite color eyeshadows. It's a mauve color, and it transitions with this brown amazingly. I love it. I also will be popping that onto the apples of my cheeks right now. I'm done doing this. So this is just a quick, let's tap that off because this right here. Hi, KK. Look at the baby. You haven't seen her yet, huh? She's so big. She's mad right now. She's like, hi, good baby. Hi. Yeah? What's he doing? Okay, so we're actually, I'm going to take a little bit of that. Let's see what. So I haven't even used any of these because that brush actually has done it all. Like, I don't need anything else. I just need this one and this one. So I haven't even used these, but I think I'm going to go in with this one here. Looks like a crease brush. Doesn't tell me. Looks like a crease brush. Crease brush. It's hard to say for me. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this one and go right under the eye here. Okay. Okay, here we go. There you go. So I was saying, if you join with me now, we can start this month off with a fresh start and try to get the most leads and the most generation of sales instead of watching me for this whole next month and just seeing me keep doing it. You can just join now. It's 20 bucks. You get everything you need, and then you can just sit back and watch if you want to. It's 20 bucks. You get 50% off makeup, and then you get 50% commission on everything you sell. It's a no-brainer. It's 20 bucks. Like, what could you, what are you gonna spend on $20 tonight when you get off work, or you get paid tomorrow? I'm just gonna apply this highlighter. This is 01 Gold Flash right on the tops of my cheekbones. I'm gonna blend that out with this one here. But what are you gonna get tomorrow? You're gonna get paid, have your check, and then what are you gonna do? Buy Starbucks, get food. 20 bucks. Okay, so I don't have an eyebrow pencil by Farmasi yet because my shade is all sold out in the pencil that I usually like to I like to use pencils, but I got a pomade coming, so we'll see how that will work. But I'm gonna throw on some eyebrows. I just go from where it starts and I just lightly brush a line all the way to the point of my eyebrow here, and then I go down. Super easy. And then I just fill in. So this one I overplucked a little bit underneath here, so I'm going to overcompensate that line under here just to make it look like there's some hair. I have some eyebrow serum coming in the mail. Should be here like next week. We'll start using that and give you my honest opinion. Okay, are they sisters? This one needs a little bit more here. Fill that in. Okay. Done with that one. I actually forgot. I'm all over the place, you guys, but I forgot to finish my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in here, this one here, this gold one. I'm gonna go in and swirl it in the corner. Right there in the corner. Up on top of that, and blend it down. Okay, and then, let me see. That actually, I think I'm gonna put this middle color here. It's more of like a copper color. I'm gonna take, and I'm just gonna get right here for a little dimension in the corner. There we go. Okay, so mascara, right? So I got highlighter. Yep, mascara. It's time for mascara. Look at this brush. It's like shaped like a Christmas tree. And where's my camera over there? So but it gets like right up to the lash line without being thick at the tip. You can get right up to that lash line and not have to worry about poking yourself. Poking yourself with the tip in your eye. I got another mascara coming in the mail. It's a 3D mascara, and I'm like, how much better is it gonna work than this? I don't understand how much better it could work, you know? So. Not easy. She's over here like wiggling and wiggling. I don't have any powder. Oops. I don't have any pressed powder in my color. And this actually is drying to like a matte finish. It's not too dewy like the one yesterday. That pot of cream needs to be set. It needs to be set. If it doesn't set, it looks like it could be too thick. But once I get the foundation, the setting powder, I can actually tell you how it's going to wear with the powder on it. It wore well with the powder I did put on it, but that wasn't from Farmasi, so I want to see how it will set with the setting powder. I wish they had loose powder. They don't have loose powder yet, or if they do, it's not available in the US yet. This company just launched in the US in 2019. There are less than 1,000 distributors in California. There's less than 500 distributors in a lot of other states right now. So if you're looking to join, I can actually send you a map of each state, and it says what how many people are in our distributor in that state. But so let me set my face real quick with this Time Locker Have More Fun Long Lasting Makeup Spray. It's a fixer spray, all skin types. Yeah, so she's might cry because I'm gonna put her down. But want to spray it with her right there. So it's a really fine mist. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. But it was a fine mist. And my hair from when I did those little crimps, it's like very subtle. I could have probably done them a little deeper to show you guys, but I'm loving it. It just looks like natural, like I put my hair in a braid and then I took it out. Let's see if I can do. Okay. And since I did wash yesterday, I'm going to spray just a little bit of the dry shampoo, just to make sure any oils that are in there, I can go a couple more days. Okay, that's all I need. So, yeah, there it is. That's my look for today. Yet. So I bought this thinking, okay, it's only like $2. Let me see what, like, how good of a quality it is. It's actually like really pretty sturdy. I don't feel like it's gonna break or anything, but let me see. Are you supposed to do this without makeup or with makeup? Because I think it's supposed to be before. Probably before, but because it didn't really do anything. But this is the makeup look today, guys. Actually, you know what? Let's throw on some lipstick. So they sent me some lipstick in my starter kit. Some like just little. Remember getting these when you were little from like Avon? Like your parents would get them and they'd be like little like this. Well, I got this from them. So it's just like little nude color. That's pretty nice. Not bad. Okay, you guys, so if you're ready to join, today is the day. Tomorrow works too. Well, any day really works, but today is the day. Let's get tomorrow started with a fresh start. Let's get this rolling. Oh dang. Get it rolling. You don't need anything but motivation, really. I have all the training groups that you need. My upline, Christina Hernandez, is amazing. She is very dedicated to her team. She is on call pretty much all the time. She lives in New York. I wrote her one night, I think it was 1 in the morning, asking her how long it took for a package, and it's what, 4 o'clock over there, and she responded to me. And I totally didn't even realize how late it was, and how late it was even for her over there. But yeah, so today we have so much going that this company is it's up and coming, and I can't wait to see where it takes me. But if you guys are ready to join, now would be the time. Let's go over a little bit of what I used today. So I got this in my starter kit. I used the BB cream the other day, and I wanted to see how the CC cream held up, or how the CC cream was compared to the BB cream. I didn't set it at all. I don't have any powder, and this is coverage. So it's a light to medium coverage, but it's buildable coverage. So if you wanted more coverage, you could actually do really good coverage with this. This on the website I think is 11. I wish I had my book in here. It's $11.90 for BB cream, I believe. But so I used that, and then I used the palette, the Face Perfecting Pressed Powder in 101 for the contour. I used Love Letter blush number 17 for my blush and my lids, and then I used the Sunset Kiss Trio eyeshadow kit for the rest, with a little bit of this pressed powder and then transition. And then I went in with the Farmasi Star Look mascara. That's this mascara here. And then I also used for the highlight. Hi babies, wake. Perfect timing. Sorry, I forgot to put some on my... Yeah, yes. I'm almost done. Give me 1 second, okay? Okay? Okay. So, yes. So, this was the Gold Flash highlighting stick in color 01, and then I set it with the Time Locker from Farmasi. If you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me, or not DM me, PM me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I am very forthcoming. I like to give out knowledge to whoever is willing to receive it. Some people call me a know-it-all because even if you don't want to hear it, I'll try to tell you, and then I try to learn so much and retain all that information, so once I know it, I keep it and I try to pass it on. And I found this company, and it's such a good deal for the product and the quality of the product, and you get your own business for $19.99. You make 50% commission, and you get bonuses for building teams. Like, how wrong can you go with that? Can you say hi, Amarise? Hi, Amarise. Hi, girl. Okay, you guys, my other one's up. I'm gonna hop off now. Thanks for tuning in. I will be back on most likely tomorrow to do another makeup look. Don't forget to find me on YouTube, Life and Beauty by Drewby, and go subscribe. Hit that little bell to get notified when I post a new video. And thank you for watching, you guys. Bye bye.